All right, guys, this week is going to be a little bit of a different week for you. You're not going to learn anything new, and I think it should be an easier type week. We are going to review all week, and you're going to do different activities. The first one that you're going to do is an inequality review pixel art. Please make sure that when you are doing this, you have a piece of paper out and you're doing all of your work on the paper. Because after you complete the activity, I want you to upload that work into Class Kick so I can see it. Now, this is what the inequalities pixel art is going to look like when you open it up. First thing you want to do, when you open it, it's going to be at 100%, which looks like this. It is best viewed at 50%, and that's going to be true all week long. Now, it says, if I go back to 100%, fill in the answers below to reveal the hidden picture. To use less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, copy and paste from here. All the boxes with answers will change color once the correct answer is entered. So I'm going to put it back to 50% so we can see the whole thing. And the first problem is x plus 7 is less than or equal to 12. So when you solve this, remember, when you're solving inequalities, you solve them just like equations, except, here you got to remember this, if you multiply or divide both sides by a negative number, you need to switch the inequality. Do not forget that. Now, this problem, to solve this, we're just going to subtract 7. So our answer is x is less than or equal to 5. Now, we're going to go back to the Ed puzzle. I would have written this down on my paper. I'm going to go back to my assignment. And in this block, we are going to type x. We need less than or equal to. So we're going to go right in here. I'm going to copy it. And paste it, 5. Now I'm going to hit enter. Now, do you notice over here, see how something changed color? And this block became colored in? That means we are correct. Now, I'm going to go back to the review. This is not a problem that is on the Ed puzzle or on that activity, but I want to remind you of something. If I gave you this problem, negative 5x is greater than 10. How do we solve this? Well, we divide both sides by negative 5. That's 1, so we're left with x. But remember, if you multiply or divide both sides by a negative, you need to switch your inequality. So greater than will become less than negative 2. You have to remember that because that will make a big difference. So if you multiply or divide both sides by a negative, you have to switch your inequality. All right, guys, try that activity now. Let me know if you need any extra help.